in answering the Supreme Court judge's question that was directed at me on remedies, I wish to state that, and this is because this court also has a purpose under Section 3 of the Supreme Court Act. And given that you're an election court under 84, in an ideal situation where you are construing Section 83 of the Elections Act, which must be interpreted disjunctively, because if there's an unconstitutional act, then the election cannot stand. If quantitatively, as we shall demonstrate, there is non-compliance, again, you'll have to invalidate the election. But my Lord, in an ideal situation where you'd have been called upon to apply Article 232 on public service and Article 201 on public finance, you would have ordered a recount and then secured a winner. But this would only have been possible if there were no unconstitutional infractions that undermine the process and therefore make it unconstitutional. Because this is no longer about tallying and verification. It is about the bigger process of the involvement of commissioners and a split commission. And the only remedy available, my lords, Justice Ouko, the Chief Justice and member of the court, is a nullification. This is no longer the baby of Raila Amolo Odinga V. This is no longer the baby of William Samoei Ruto, Dr. the First Respondent. This is the baby of Wanjiku. It is the baby of Kenyans. Return this baby to Kenyans to determine to whom they shall hand over the baby after 60 days. I pray that you nullify the election, and I will see